Yo, hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday and the end of the trading week. For the traditional markets we are having a nice pump continuation for Bitcoin, and also I want to point out in this video that the stock market has just reached new all-time highs. The S&P 500 sitting almost at 6,600. The Nasdaq is above 24,000. As you can see, we're sitting currently at 24,088, almost 24,100. As you can see, I have talked in my previous videos that we want to see the stock market continue pushing higher in order for Bitcoin to also continue pushing higher. And as you can see right now, we have broken through this last all-time high that we have set up right here for the Nasdaq, and right now we are pushing above the weekly R2, as you can see. So potentially my target would be for next week around 24,300, as you can see. Basically it is possible, but since the market will close in about 4 hours, maybe we're going to be getting that pump around next week if we don't see a correction because of FOMC meeting potentially on Wednesday. Now for Ethereum still pushing to the upside, as you can see. Solana on the other hand has reached $241. We are very basically very close to the all-time high right here, as you can see. If we mark this high right here, you can see basically we are only a couple of basically 23% away from the all-time high, which we've been far away for a very long time. As you can see, after Solana had that massive drop right here down to $97 basically, we are having right now a potential trend change, and right now it is finally time for Solana to have its time like it did, and also like some of the other altcoins. So we also did get it a pretty nice run to around $5.30, and right now it is consolidating right around the middle. Basically, you can see we are right around the POC of this bigger range right here. Hype also currently pushing very nice to the upside. We did also set new all-time highs, $57. XRP still sitting around $3, as you can see basically. So nothing new here. I'm waiting a breakout, potentially a touch of around $3.30. The dollar is still in that downtrend. As you can see, we have not seen a major trend shift basically, or any signs of a pump for now. So this is also helping Bitcoin push to the upside. If we look at the liquidation heat map for Bitcoin, we are almost at that very key level, 117k. Basically this high right here would be very tricky level. As you can see, we did almost grab all of that liquidity, but we're having a rejection now, and potentially I'm expecting, if we go up to this high, a potential liquidation grab to the top side, and then maybe we'll be getting some kind of a rejection potentially from the value area high right here if we don't break it. But I think price will struggle a bit once it gets here. Of course, we might slice right through this resistance, but I think price would basically potentially, as I said, struggle a bit here. So we might see some kind of a reaction and a pullback, but for now everything is looking great. We did have another half a billion of Bitcoin ETF inflows for the day. As you can see, 552 millions. Everybody is buying, nobody is selling the last 2 days. Fear and Greed index jumping right around 50, basically still in that neutral, but we are higher. We were right here, basically almost at the fear zone, as you can see right here. Long versus shorts ratio for the day on Hyperliquid, now we have 53% longs, as you can see. So the ratio is very big. You can see it here, and also some of the most of the other exchanges, as you can see, actually every other exchange has been actually not this one, but every other exchange than this one has been right now flipping long. As you can see, everybody is long right now, but Hyperliquid was long since the bottom. So as I said, it is a nice sign to look for. Funding rate still positive, as you can see, which is nice. And also we do have FOMC next week, retail sales, and basically that will be the more important news for crypto next week. And yes guys, that will be it for today's update video. I hope you have an amazing coming weekend, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.